Nobody's been here from media to see this.
We global now.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Mike Shaw, and I'm back here again with another lit vlog. And I got my boy Sam with me, and it looked like we got somebody rich and famous right here in their Benz. Who's that? Just stop right there. You park right there.
No.
She really need to park like beside you.
She don't.
I don't know.
Girls don't.
Girls don't know how to parallel park either.
They can't.
That's another thing.
They
But
can't multitask. It's what the problem.
I think it's funny.
Well, the car that's leaving.
Can girls parallel park?
They can't multitask.
They can't multitask.
They cannot chew gum and walk at the same time.
That's probably why they don't text back.
Huh? See? You can't drive and talk at the same time.
But that's probably why they don't text back.
I can't make this up.
Anyway, me and Sam, we are pretty much, what is this? This is a Chef Jay's event. I guess we about to be on TV too?
That's what he said.
He said that? We are at one of the most, how can I say, exotic places in Atlanta, Georgia right now, and it's the Tree House. It's the Atlanta, Georgia Tree House. And when I tell you guys, this is one of the most exclusive places. I'm telling you, this place has been on HGTV. It's been on Atlanta Housewives. This place is so hard to book on Airbnb that you gotta probably book it like 2 years in advance. But guess who's here tonight to show y'all, give y'all an exclusive look at it. It's your boy Mike Shaw, and I'm here again, and we about to get looking into the Tree House. Let's get it. Hey y'all, Sam is out here trying to make me the camera guy today. It's all good.
Man, we out here catching vibes and vibes only.
This place is beautiful. I can't even lie. This is definitely a Chef Jay event. He said he did not come to play. Hopefully the food tastes as good as this place looks.
I'm about to put you back.
You know? Because, which one? What bag? All right, I know I showed y'all a little bit. Let me show y'all a little bit more of this amazing place. And we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna show y'all the treehouse now. Let me show y'all the treehouse. Hey guys, on a date, kind of nervous. Where are you from?
Here.
You from Georgia? What part? What school did you go to?
That's the thing. I didn't grow up here, but I was born here.
Where'd you grow up?
Mobile, Alabama. Don't talk about Alabama.
I didn't say anything though.
You made a face. You paused.
My grandma lived there.
Where?
In Tuscaloosa, I think. Yeah, that's right. She lived by wherever Alabama is. Where's that? She lives right by down the street from the University of Alabama.
That's Tuscaloosa.
Yeah, that's Tuscaloosa. Yeah, she been down there for years.
Stay there.
You like it down there or here?
See where I'm living.
You're right.
But I'm talking about Alabama.
I ain't say anything
I know.
though. They got a jacuzzi. They ain't got no barbecue grill. They got a fire pit. We can make like toast and stuff like that.
I gotta do is get like a break or just put it on the stick.
This is a good place. I don't know. I would come back here for, y'all let me know if y'all come back here. I definitely. All right. Kylie got two camera guys. He got a videographer and a photographer. I ain't there yet. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna get there one day. You know what I'm saying? When we get on that budget, we're gonna get there one day. But let me show y'all this treehouse, like I said. All right, perfect. Got them now. Hey guys, I flew her out to the treehouse.
Flued out?
Yeah, flew out with a U.
With a U?
With a U. You funny. So, all right, y'all. I'm about to take you guys inside of this very exclusive location like I told you before. This is a tree house. This is a tree house. Like, I'm not playing. This is a tree house. We're up in the trees. You see what I'm saying? Got my boy right there. Boom. Let me get y'all in here. Let's get into it. Ooh. Hello, honey. I'm home. This is so fucking... Oh, my God. Look at that. Ah. Yeah, so... Let me just show y'all around a little bit, you know. I got a little bit of that going on. You know what I'm saying? The bed where all the magic happens, you feel me? You know the vibes. What I'm talking about. Then you got a little more, you know, a little chill area, you know what I'm saying? It's a cool little quaint little place to be at, you know? Little stuff to put beige stuff right there. Let me get y'all in the bathroom real quick. We're going left and right. You know, something real cool. Because this is a tree house, you know what I'm saying? I get some lights. Can I get some lights, please? Can I get some lights, please? Can I get some lights, please? I'm about to rap. Where's this at? But that's it, guys. Let me give y'all a little more look. I'm gonna let y'all look. All right, y'all. This is how you gotta wash your hands in this treehouse, okay? Y'all see this? You gotta go. You know what I'm saying? We taking it back with this, okay? We about to take it back. And I think we gotta dump this out. Once we gotta dump it out. Dang, that's tough.
We built that one. We filmed that on HGTV. Tiny House Big Living, season 4, episode 13. And after that, we did the first tiny house in Atlanta. After that, my wife left out of town for a couple days. I built my second one. Poured some money to that one. Built that one. Airbnb actually came, the whole crew flew up from California. All the big guys. We got a commercial right now on CNBC running late night, so you guys can check it out if you want. Got a commercial on that. Then after that, I really got frustrated with working for other people. Poured all my savings, jumped off the deep end, built unit 3, 4, and 5, which is my triplex. So I built all those in a period of 6 months, just me and one other guy. But most of the time, I'm here solo. And then I said it to myself in my head, I gotta retire. I gotta get out the rat race because I'm tired of it. You know, beating down, depression, everything like that, and I'm tired of just doing it. So what I did after that, me and my wife, we got together, put all our funds together, and we built a tree house. I resigned from the airport altogether. I also wanted to kind of turn the restaurant industry up inside his head because I think that dining experiences are boring, plain, there's nothing wow about it. You're going to go there and spend $30, $60 per person, and the only thing you're going to get is just some food on the plate. So what we want to do is create a different experience, me, myself, and Chef Ponder, fine dining with entertainment, a different flair, something that represents us. So that's why we're here tonight. Outside there, so you're gonna get the full component. You're gonna have indoor-outdoor experience. So this is the indoor, and that'll be the outdoor experience of the treehouse, the lower area where you're gonna host. So the vibe that we're going with is mid-century modern with a splash of Scandinavian. If you know anything about mid-century modern, clean, straight line. Scandinavian is very neutral, earth tones, so that's what we've done in here. And the plants just got added in here because I love plants. I take care of all of them.
You said it's 80%.
I'm the plant guy. I've nurtured all these guys and girls and given them special names during the week time.
You said y'all booked out how far?
6 months straight. We booked out the treehouse.
Don't ask me.
Yeah.
He said it.
No advertisement.
No.
Don't need it.
You don't need it.
His
Don't
mark.
need advertisement because I create experiences memorable.
Yeah.
Remember to me.
That word of mouth is crazy. First of all, you don't even know me.
You gonna sit?
Sir, how was the oyster you tasted?
Don't let me taste it, okay?
Food for the rich, Cole. You don't get a lot.
Okay. Oh, this is a vegan gumbo. This is vegan gumbo? What's wrong with regular gumbo? Is this quinoa? Oh, okay. All right, guys. Are you shy?
Huh?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good? All right. She's about to eat this vegan gumbo. It has farm fresh tomatoes in it. It has okra in it. And it's topped with forbidden rice.
Introduce the proper way to eat food, how to consume food. And all the food tonight is just salt, pepper, fresh herbs, garlic, shallots. Ain't no lari's, ain't no calorie lady.
Look, you gonna slap your mama?
What is it? Adobo? None of that stuff. And those to my cooking classes I already know we just use salt, pepper, herbs, garlic, and a little bit of shallots. So, trying to retrain the palate how to consume real food, how to really taste the food.
Hey, y'all, this is a better visual for you guys of the whole treehouse with all the lights on and stuff like that. Here we go, just like that. That's my guy Sam. You know, it looks amazing. So this is Urban B&B. Please don't get it confused with Airbnb, but this is definitely Urban B&B. And like he said, he had no marketing, so nobody's really been here unless you paid to stay here. Nobody's been here from media to see this place unless you paid to see this place. You know what I'm saying? So y'all getting the exclusive right now because this place is crazy.
Every single thing in here is used or Facebook Marketplace. The only things that are new are these chairs, that one, and the other one right there. Other than that, every single thing is used and repurposed. All my use.
Even a sliding door.
That barn sliding door is upstate New York, where my wife's from. I picked that up for like $100. Easy. Facebook Marketplace, $30 for the whole set. I drove to South Carolina at 2 in the morning, popped up there at 7 o'clock, headed back home for that bed, $300. That table, that dresser right there, $150. Macon, Georgia. Slate table, that's what do you call it? What's that spot over there by the Home Depot? Scott's Antique, $200. These are the most expensive ones, the rattan chairs, total for like $600-700. This Facebook Marketplace, $80. So, repurpose, you can do a lot with it, you know, you can jazz it up, you've got a vision for it. Anyway, so I built this thing in 55 days. I sourced a couple white boys, if you don't mind me saying that, to go ahead and grab the wood and the lumber because I can't get into Amish country in the middle of Ohio. I might be lynched, you know. Anyway, long story short, a couple of my buddies, they sourced them. They went there, they grabbed the wood. $18,000 later, just in lumber, the big beams downstairs, holding this place up. These guys and the floorboards and this floor right here was completely sanded down by myself and whitewashed with a pink tint to it to get that very feminine touch. The one downstairs.
Back at the field, the gun finally came. That's so good. All right, y'all. Y'all seen all the food. Y'all seen me in the kitchen. Y'all seen me and Sam take pictures by a lake. We did everything today. I don't know if this part 2, 3, or 4, but I know I've been vlogging for a while. But other than that, it's your boy Mike Shaw. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. It's right here in the corner below. Don't forget to follow Sam. It's in the description below all the videos. There we go, Sam.
You know the vibes.
Y'all know the vibes. Also, follow everybody that was in the video today, too. I don't know if it's going to be in the description below, but I think they said their names. But other than that, it's your boy Mike Shaw. And I gotta go to a whole nother